So I have given 2 homeworks for you, and there are some more questions. Some more questions. I'll show that. Okay. Okay. See, children, this was the homework. Then these questions, can you see? This question, after drawing the graph, there are 3 questions. Can you see that 3 questions? So you have to answer from the graph without calculating. Clear? So this one I'll give later, not now, because today you have 2 homeworks. No need of doing this. After that, tomorrow or next class, I'll give this also as a homework for you. Okay. Then, yes.
Can you show second
Last
homework?
page B graph
I will
also
show.
is homework, right?
Yes, yes. Did you write?
So the B graph's question is in the next page.
Questions are there? Yeah, questions are there. Yes, yes. Did you write that?
No.
No. So you can write those questions.
Ma'am, C and all not there.
First, C no need of doing now, children. C no need of doing. A and B only. Okay.
Can you show
And
question
B's
B?
questions are this. You understood, children? 2 questions are enough. C we will do later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I won't give that much questions. So that B questions continuation is this. Previous page only that table was there, B question, and this page the questions also there.
Can you show B question
Clear?
table? Can you show B question table?
Still you did not write. Still you did not write. Write it fast. I have to start a new lesson. See, children, actually this chapter was the last chapter. So because we have taken the class from home, so it will not be so clear. The quality will not be that much. So I thought of taking this chapter first, and since it need calculations, I thought of using board. Okay. Otherwise, you won't understand. With our home, the board is there, but it is not visible properly. I have to take a lot of struggle to finish it. You won't understand also. So children, this is the graph. You need any explanation for this also, children?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So will you draw it? If you want any clarification, and when we explain about the homework, I will explain. Okay, children?
Okay.
Okay. Then shall we move to the next chapter, children?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you wait?
Sriram, fast. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So our next chapter is chapter 2, linear equation in one variable. Children, linear equation in one variable. Chapter 2, second chapter it is. So this chapter is related to the chapter simple equations. You have learned, no? Simple equations, 7th standard. Simple equation, do you remember that? Simple equations.
Yes, for 7x minus 7.
Yes, yes. So this chapter is, it has a relation, but not fully that, not the continuation. This is chapter 2, linear equation in one variable. Linear equations. Equations in one variable. In one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Okay. Okay, children. Linear. Yeah. Adityan, only to write the heading now. You are taking this much time for writing that heading. Take a new page. Okay. Take a new page for today's date and write chapter 2, linear equation, one variable.
Finish.
Okay. Now listen. Okay, children, what do you understand from a variable? What is a variable?
Small letters.
Only that.
Usually numbers.
How will you represent a variable?
It can
I'm
be
like two
substituted
words.
with any number.
Hmm?
It can be substituted with any number.
Yes, yes. So variable, from that word variable, you can understand that its value varies, changes, right? Variable. Vary means, what do you mean by vary? V-A-R-Y, vary.
Change.
Change.
Changes.
So variable means, variable means it is changes. Changes. Okay. So variable, so which all, is there any letter or anything to represent a variable?
Yes. Small
How will you
letters.
represent a variable?
Any
Using
small
small
letters.
letters.
Small letters, alphabet. Okay, alphabet, English alphabet we are using for representing variable, right? Okay, so variables are always changing. Value of the variable is changing. Isn't it? Variable is changing. So variable means its value is not fixed. It is known as variable. Value is not fixed. So there is another name for the thing which is the value which is fixed. Value is fixed. What is the name of that?
Constant.
Constant. Okay. So you should know what is constant and what is variable. That is very important. Variable means you can take, it can take any values, any value. It does not have a fixed value. And variable we can represent it by, no need of writing anything, children. I'm just explaining. Variable means it can take the values of alphabets, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, anything, P, Q, R, any numbers. Clear? So what do you mean by a constant? If I tell 5, if I tell 5, you understood something. You have one concept based on 5, right? 5 means 5 fingers. There are 5 fingers, 5 toffees, 5 pencils. So 5 means you have an idea, right?
Yes.
So 5, 10, -1, fractions, anything, negative values, fractions, any numbers, decimal values. It has a fixed value. It is known as constant. Okay, children, don't write anything. Okay, if you want, you just write a lecture note, only that. So it is constants can constant can take any values, negative values, positive values, fractions. These are all constants. Clear, children? Understood? So last year you might have heard all this, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you know variable and a constant. So you should know what is algebraic expression. So all these are based on algebra. Algebra means the branch of mathematics. Lakshmi, crying,
No, ma'am.
hearing all this.
No, ma'am.
Okay, now listen. Algebra is the branch of mathematics. And it deals with these numbers, constants, variables and all. Okay, children. Algebra, like geometry, algebra is also a branch of mathematics. It's a separate branch. It's very interesting also. And algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Expression means expression. When we join this variable and constants together, that means 3x square plus 4y minus 7, like these variables, constants together we mix up, we will get an expression. Understood, children? Algebraic expression, you have heard last year, algebraic expression. And all these are known as 3x square, 4y and negative 7. What is that? What is that? Terms, right? Terms. Understood, children? Terms are there. For an expression, there are how many terms are there for this expression which I wrote here? Three now? Three terms. Three terms. And this is an expression, 3y plus 4. How many terms are there, children?
4 terms. 2 terms.
Two terms. Two terms. So terms you understood, children? Terms. Okay. So an algebraic expression is a combination of constants, variables, with we join with the plus minus, like train, the compartments, like that we join plus and minus and we'll get terms. Terms are like compartments. Clear? So it is an algebraic expression. Any doubts, children? Okay. Okay. Now we'll take why there is what is the chapter's name, children?
Linear equation.
Linear equations in one variable.
Linear equation in one variable. In that, variable is a term in the heading. You understood what is variable?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. Now we will learn about the equation. Equation. See, children, if I write x plus 2. Okay, if I write x plus 2, I can give different values to x because it is a variable, right?
Yes.
So if I give 1, what is the value of this expression? This expression, this is an algebraic expression.
3.
This is an algebraic expression. If I give 1 to this x, what will you get? 1 plus 2 equal to 3. This is our expression. This is our expression. If I give 2, what is the value of this expression?
4.
4. If I give 3,
5.
5. Okay. So according to the value we give, the expression changes, right? According to the value we give, the value of the expression changes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If I give y square plus 1, let me give 1 to y equal to 1. What is the value of this expression?
2.
2. Expression becomes 2. If I give y equal to 2, what is the value of the expression?
5.
4.
Sriram?
We forgot to do plus 1.
2 square plus 1 equal to 5. 4 plus 1, 5. So according to the value we give, the expression changes. Right, children? The value of the expression changes. Okay. But if I write x plus 2 equal to 6, what is the problem in this? What is the value of x?
X
4.
will be
X equals
4.
4.
X equal to 4. Is there any other value?
No.
No.
So this is the problem with the equation. That means in an equation, a variable has only one value. Only one value. There is one and only one value for x. What is that value? 4.
4.
Nothing else. Okay. So this is the speciality of an equation. If I did not write that equal sign, you can give as many values and you will get as many answers for that. Isn't it? But if I write something here equal to 7, it has only one value. What is that value? X value?
5.
5. 5. So this is the speciality of an equation. An equation variable has one and only one value, unique value, but an expression has many values. As according to the values we give, we will get as many values. Did you understand, children? Up to this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, clear now. Now we'll move to the other one. See, x plus 2 equal to 7. So this is an equation. This is an equation. An equation has an equation came from that thing. One thing is necessary in an equation. What is that? One sign is necessary. Equal sign. That equal sign. Equal sign should be there in an equation. Equality. Equality should be there in an equation. Equal sign. Clear, children? So if we write an equal sign, if we give an equal sign, x plus 2 equal to 7, this equal sign's left side is known as
LHS.
LHS, left hand side. And the right side is known as
LHS.
RHS. RHS. So for an equation, there will be LHS and RHS, and there will be one equal sign. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So linear equation in one variable. In that heading, if you understood about the heading, means you have studied half of the parts. Okay. Linear equation in one variable. Next year you will be studying linear equation in two variables. No, wait. Linear equation in one variable. 9th standard you are studying linear equation in two variables. Okay, children.
And
So linear
standard 3
equation.
is there?
No, only this much. Okay. So linear equation in one variable. Here, variable you understood? Variable.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Variable. So in this chapter, we are learning about the equation. You are learning about some type of equation. And this equation has only one variable. There may be like this also. This is next year. This is for you for the next year. Here there are two variables, right?
Yes.
And why? That is linear equation, two variables. This year you are learning only up to this much. X plus 2 equal to 10. Linear equation in one variable. Only one variable, either X or Y or Z or anything else. Only one variable will be there. Right? So linear equation. Did you understand about variable, children?
Yes, ma'am.
You that idea came to your mind, right? What is one variable? You understood, no?
Yes.
One variable.
Yes.
And what about equation? You understood about equation?
Yes.
There will be an equal sign. There will be LHS and RHS. And we will learn about linear now. What is linear? Just now you have learned something about linear. What is that linear?
Linear graph.
Straight.
Linear
Ma'am?
graph. Linear graph. Yes,
Ma'am,
correct.
straight.
When we draw this equation, x plus 2 equal to 10, or any equation like this, you will get a straight line. Linear, straight line. When we draw the graph, you will get a straight line. And one more specialty, children. Do you know about degree? Degree, x raised to
Yes.
10, 6 plus x square. What is the degree of this expression? Don't know? What is the degree of this expression? Last year you have studied all this.
Eight.
Forgot?
Eight.
No. See, children, the value of the highest power. Where is power here? Power exponent.
6 and 2.
6 and 2.
6 and 2. In this, highest power is, what is the highest
Six.
power?
Six.
6. It is the degree. It is the degree. Degree of this expression is 6. Understood? Huh? So what is the degree of this expression?
4.
4.
4. Okay. So simply if I write x raised to 7, what is the degree?
7.
7.
So this linear equation has the degree 1. That means there will not be any x square, y square, Y cube, y raised to 4, y raised to 5, like that. It is simply x. That is, it has power 1. So linear means degree 1. Is this a linear equation, children?
No.
No.
Why?
Because
Because
y has the power
it,
2.
power 2. Okay. So degree means the highest power. So linear equation means it will be like this. Y plus y minus 5 equal to 10. Understood, children? Like this. X
Yes,
plus 2 equal to 11. Okay. Now tell about this. What is a linear? What do you understood about linear?
Yes, ma'am.
You understood
Power 1.
two things about. Do you know two things about linear? Linear means
Ma'am, can you
degree will
give
be.
definition about linear?
Hmm?
Ma'am, can you give definition about linear?
Linear means the algebraic expression which has degree 1. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
1 second, I'll give all the definitions. So linear means the algebraic expression which has degree 1. And when we draw the graph of it, what will you get? Tell?
Straight line.
A straight line, straight line. And equation, you understood? Linear equation, linear equation, linear equation. Linear equation means
Yes.
x plus 2 equal to 10. There is an equation. It has how many variables, children?
1.
One variable. Understood? So this is our chapter. Linear equation in one variable. Now shall we start writing?
Yes.
Okay. So this is our chapter 1. You learned a lot of things about the heading, right? Chapter is very easy. Very easy. Lot of calculations are there. Okay. Okay, children. Okay, right. There are some introduction. We have.
Should we write this?
Yes.
Should we write?
Yes, yes, yes. Start writing. Start writing. Start writing. It's introduction. It's an introduction, children. An algebraic expression is a combination of terms, variables and constants. I won't give variables and constants and all. You know it, isn't it? Constants. Example. Five x, 2x minus 3, 2xy plus 5, etc. Go to
Done, ma'am.
finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Finished.
Okay. Okay, children. Shall I wrap this?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. The expressions.
Continuation, right?
Continuation. The expressions we use to form linear equation. Has degree 1. A linear equation is an equation that has the highest power of the variable appearing in the expression in it is 1. Example. X plus 4 equal to 0. Y.
It is 1.
1. 1. If you want, you write in words. Okay.
Attendance.
Finish.
No, ma'am. Yes. I'm finished.
Okay. Now I'll draw a flow chart so that you can understand it properly. Shall I rub, children? Shall I
Yes.
rub? Okay. Now, I'll draw a flow chart.
Where should we draw it?
Yes. Variable LHS, RHS, equality. Is it clear, children, now? Instead of writing, if you draw this, it will be clear to you.
Not done.
You write this also.
I'm at
And an algebraic equation. An algebraic equation is an equality. See, children, this is equality sign. Inequality is also there. You know this? Inequality.
Yes, ma'am. One equal sign and diagonal cut.
That is not equal to. This is equal to and this is not equal to. Inequality is something else. Inequality is this. Less than, greater than. You know it.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is known as inequality signs. So an algebraic equation is an equality involving. That means both sides are equal. Involving variables. Not a simple equation. It algebraic equation means equality means it has equal sign, but variables is also there. It says that equation. It says that the value of the expression on one side of the equality sign is equal to the value of the expression on the other side. Value of the expression on the other side. This also you learn, okay. What is an algebraic equation? Okay, Lakshmi, tell who is absent.
Ma'am, 3 people are absent.
Yes.
I think
Who
same.
are they? Same people, same persons.
Albert is absent.
Uma, Vaishnav and Albert.
Vaishnav.
Also.
So many persons are
No
absent.
problem. You call everyone again.
No, there is no time.
I'm only 3 people. Vaishnav,
Yeah.
Uma, and
Krishna Kripa.
Albert Jojo.
Krishna Kriba.
Vaishnav, Uma, Krishna Kripa, Albert.
Yes, I noted. Starting of the chapter, if you are absent means you won't get the continuation. I'll start the class straight next day. Okay, children. So shall I wind up now?
Ma'am, can you see screen? We cannot see the down part of the sentence.
Yes.
Scroll up the screen. I cannot see the down part of the
Yes.
sentence. Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Can you scroll up the screen?
Ma'am, he's asking you.
No, I rebbed.
Ayan, click
This-
the alt button, then you will be able to see.
See, Ayan, what happened? No, this board has a speciality. It does not have the move button. Move button was there.
Ayan,
It was
click the
not there
alt
now.
button, then you will be able to see.
Here that move button is not there. That is why I am rubbing. Instead of that move button, some other button has come. I don't have enough time to experiment on this. So we will take time and study this. The different boards have different system security. Okay, children, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye, children.